Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing Look Fantastic's beauty box for March. So this month's box is actually pretty decent though. There's some really nice products in it, because the past few ones haven't been the best, to be honest. Like, I'm not going to BS you guys, but the previous boxes haven't been the greatest, but this one is actually really nice. There's some decent products in it. You get some makeup products in it, and you also get some skincare products. This time I'm really actually very excited about the skincare products that's in this month's box. So I've already tested a few of the products out on my face already, and I'm really liking how they are wearing. So without any further ado, I'm going to do a case of homes here and say let's just go ahead and get started. So this is what the box looks like this month. It is pretty cute. Like, I'm really loving the design of this box. And again, this month we do get the Elle magazine just like every month with your subscription. And I seen on the back here that there is an advert for the Tiffany & Co perfume. So I actually smelt this perfume at the weekend there, and it's okay. Like, it's not the best. Like, I thought it was going to be a lot nicer, you know, like it's Tiffany. I thought it was going to be absolutely gorgeous, and it's like, it is okay. Like, it is a nice scent and everything like that, but it's just not like my favourite scent, if you know what I mean. I think there's a lot of nicer perfumes out there. Like, I love my YSL Mon Paris and the Guerlain Mon Guerlain perfume. That is lovely. Oh, and I actually smell the new Guerlain Flowers perfume. Like, it's the Mon like Guerlain Flowers or something it's called, in this week, and I got that sample as well, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It smells pretty similar to the first one, like the original Mon Guerlain, but it's just got this one's got like peony roses in it. And oh my god, it is so lovely. Like, it is gorgeous. So I've got a little sample of that, and I've been spritzing it all the time because I just love it. And yeah, I love my Guerlain Mon Guerlain perfume. I think it is just absolutely gorgeous. It's so sophisticated, and yeah. But anyway, that is not what this video is about. This video is about the Look Fantastic beauty box. So yeah. First of all, I'm going to start off with makeup bits, because of course that is my favourite. So we get this little brush here, which is from Style London, and this is the first time I've heard of this brand, so I'm excited for that. And yeah, it's like one of these little artiste brushes, and this can be used for obviously foundation, concealer. You can also use it for contouring as well. So I probably would like to use this for like concealing like my under eye area. I think it would be really great to blend out my concealer, or I think it would be great to chisel out my cheekbones with my contour. So it feels really soft, and it says you can actually slightly dampen the brush when you're blending in any liquid based products, you know, for a more smoother finish. So yeah, excited to try this out. As I said, I think I will try this out for concealing my under eye area and contouring. Okay, so next thing we get is this little eyeshadow duo, which is from the brand Juice or Juices. Don't know how to pronounce that. So yeah, this is a little eyeshadow duo which I actually have on my eyes today, and I'm actually really liking the results it's given. This is what they look like here, and I have the shade Kate and the shade Tenley, yes. So I have these on my eyes today, and I absolutely love how they're actually looking, you know. So I have the shade Tenley in the outer corner of my eyes there, just to give it a little bit more of a kind of darker smoky outer corner, and then I have the shade Kate just sort of like in my inner third, like this kind of part here of my eyes, like from the inner corner to almost the middle of my eye there. And I really love how the two of them go together, you know. They're two little shimmery eyeshadows, but they are really nice and pigmented, you know, and they blend out great. So yeah, I'm very impressed by these. So this is the two shades that you will get in the box, the shade Kate and the shade Tenley, and they're actually good shades to get in the box, because like they are just like brown shades, so they're going to go with many different skin tones and eye colours and things like that. So yeah. Okay, so moving on to some skincare bits. The first thing we get is this from Skin Chemist. This is their Rose Quartz Youth Defence Lip Plump, and this aims to make your lips look plumper and more smoother. So this I have on my lips today, just underneath my lipstick, and that is what it looks like there. So it says you can apply this, you know, before you apply your lipstick, and what it is it sort of makes your lips look a little bit more kind of plumper, and it gives like a glossy look to your lips. It has peppermint oil in it to tingle your lips and make them look a little bit more kind of plumper. So yeah, the tingliness isn't like discomfort, it goes away after like a few minutes. This is just like a lip gloss, so you can apply it on your lips without a lipstick and you just have really nice kind of plump juicy looking glossy lips. Okay, so next time we get in the box, I'm really surprised by and I'm really loving because it is a decent size product, and it is the Oromovixa Balance Moisturiser. So that's what it looks like there, and this is a 30ml. So as you can see, it's a pretty decent size bottle, you know, for a beauty box. And this product is pretty expensive, so yeah, it is a decent size, and I'm actually wearing this on my face today as well. So what it says is this is a Hungarian brand, and this moisturiser leaves skin feeling supple and balanced while minimising pores and brightening the complexion. So that I think is really true. Like when I applied this before my foundation, I feel like my pores looked, especially around this area here, looked a lot more like tighter, you know, like they looked a lot more sort of together, so it made my skin look just a lot more smoother, which I'm really loving. Like normally my L'Oreal Hydrogenist does that for me, but it's nice to try something different every now and again. So yeah, I was really surprised at how lovely this made my foundation look. It also says it's formulated to create a light cooling gel cream, and this fantastic moisturiser provides long-lasting hydration, and it's perfect for oily or combination skin and works well underneath makeup as a primer. So yeah, like I said, I really do love how this is making my skin look today. So there's also a tip here in the little booklet you get, and it says use on cheeks, chin and nose prior to application of highlighter, and the product contains ruby crystals which helps diffuse light, minimising the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, also giving you a radiant glow. So that's interesting to put on before highlight. Like I do have a little bit of highlight on today, and I feel like my texture isn't emphasised too much, you know, with the highlighter, so that's pretty decent. So yeah, really looking forward to seeing how this goes long term. Okay, so next thing we get is this mask here, which is from Skimono, and this I am so looking forward to using because I was out the weekend there and I was wearing heels, and oh my god, my feet are so sore now. So I'm going to be using this straight after this video because like I need something to heal them. So yeah, like I said, this is from Skimono and it's their foot mask, and it is a deeply replenishing serum foot mask packed with shea butter, olive oil, tea tree and chamomile. So they're just like little sockies, and all we do is just put our feet in them for 30 minutes and it should basically heal our feet. So yeah, really excited for this. Okay, so next thing we get is from Renew Skin, and this is their Advanced Anti-Aging Flash Relax Mask. So this is a face mask. Yeah, it says it's for mature skin, instant face lift effect. So it says this has got vitamin C and B5 to enhance the skin's radiance. And it says a wonderful multitasker that will give the skin intensive hydration. So yeah, that sounds really nice. Looking forward to using that. And it says to apply 1 or 2 times per week. Okay guys, so that's everything we get inside this month's box, and like I said, it is pretty decent. Like there's some really nice products in there. So guys, if you're interested in grabbing yourself one of these boxes, then I'll leave a little link down below in the description box for you. And I am an affiliate with Look Fantastic, so if you do decide to click that link and grab yourself a box, then that would help me out massively. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. I really hope you did like and enjoy it. Remember to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Also hit the subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah.